Before we head to break, here's what may be happening if your car makes a sound while turning in this week's Auto Matters.
Auto Matters is brought to you by Select Collision.
I got a note from a friend the other day asking about a popping sound coming from her car. So I had her come over and I took it for a test drive. As we turned the corner, there was a very obvious clunk sound in the steering. Call it a pop or a clunk, it was definitely there, and I'm glad she heard it. One of her ball joints had worn out and was binding up as she turned. Then it would break loose as the car turned, making that horrible noise. It's not a tough fix for a good mechanic, but left alone, it can get dangerous because that's connected to your steering. You don't want your steering to go away. Is your car making odd noises from up front? If so, don't wait. Get it over to one of our helpful car care pros here in town.
Every car that leaves our facility is our rolling business card, and we understand that our customers' time is incredibly valuable, and we want to make sure everything is as convenient as it can be for them and they can get their car back as quickly as possible so that they can get back on the road.